Welcome to the course. Here we have our first topic, what is AI and why it is so popular. AI refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence such as understanding language, recognizing speech, or making decisions. So, as I said earlier, AI mimics human intelligence. We all come across machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, which is together stitched and put into a name called artificial intelligence. So what artificial intelligence actually make, where it makes sense. So what is the difference between an automation and an artificial intelligence? Let's take a interesting example of a day-to-day life, which is a washing machine. So we have a three predefined step. One is soak, rinse, and spin. So daily, the washing machine, if you put the clothes and we give the liquid to it, what it does, it soaks the cloth, it rinses the cloth, and it spins. We can just try it. So this is a straightforward example. So it always has only the three steps. The input is the dirty cloth and the liquid which we pour. So what happens whenever you do this, all these three steps will be executed in a straight manner until unless you give some exceptional case. So this is automation. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So how AI varies from this? As mentioned here, it mimics the human intelligence. So what happens? It is not going to just listen your instruction and going to execute it. It can think. So think, it involves neurons. So our brain thinks, it involves neurons, and AI has the neurons. From deep learning and generative AI and AI other steps, we have neurons. So where a machine can think more than getting automated is where the rise of AI comes. I hope you got this. AI is popular today because it is powering technologies we use daily. Voice assistants, recommendation engines, chatbots, open source model and cloud services have made AI accessible to everyone. AI is reshaping industries, healthcare, finance, education, and more, so on, so on, so on. AI has evolved from the domain engineering and it has spread its wing like anything to other industries too. AI is not only used in healthcare or finance. So we have the theoretical projects like many of them we predict the stock market. We go to healthcare services, we take the data set from Kaggle and we play around it. So that is for just a learning purpose. And really AI does impact on healthcare, insurance, finance, education everywhere. But beyond the limits, AI is used in marketing. So marketing is where your business is getting boomed. So all business enthusiasts, startup, everyone comes to AI. So they have their own use cases where AI can solve that. And second, and AI has still expanded its wing to arts and law. In arts, recently I went to a program called AI and Society. I thought it was done by some CSE or IT department in Alliance University, which is in Bangalore. But I was very shocked that it was done by the liberal arts team, where people from arts, the artist who creates the arts, like dancing, painting, and everything, who doesn't even know what is engineering, they have developed their own models. They have trained it, they have fine tuned it, and they have done their own thing, and they showcased in that show. So AI is expanding its wing enormously, swiftly, and in a great manner. So this course will be structured with voice AI. So how text is going to be processed to voice and how voice is going to be text to processed to the text. Happy learning. Let's meet in the second video.